Nothing is getting ready for one of its most exciting launches yet, and this time it's not just about hardware but also software. With the Air 3 earbuds and Nothing OS 4 set to debut together, Carl P himself shared a teaser on his X account confirming the Air 3's design, and it looks like Nothing is sticking to its famous transparent style while adding some bold new touches. The biggest change is the addition of metal parts in both the earbuds and the charging case, while according to the company makes them stronger and gives them a premium look. Of course, some fans are concerned that the metal might heat up during long listening sessions, but Nothing believes this step makes the product stand out in terms of durability and finish. The earbuds also have a new shape designed for more natural and comfortable fit, so you can use them for hours without discomfort. On the technical side, Nothing has managed to shrink the antenna to just 0.35 mm, giving the Air 3 a slimmer and more refined profile, while also tightening the internal structure so the components fit together neatly. This attention to detail shows the brand's focus on improvement, not just cosmetic changes. Another exciting feature teased is the so-called super mic. While Nothing has not revealed the full details yet, the name suggests major improvement in call clarity and voice pickup, which could be a big win for users who want both entertainment and reliable communication. The case has also gone through a big transformation. It's now made of 100% anodized recycled aluminium, which not only makes it stronger but also more sustainable. On the front, there is a mysterious new button labeled Hawk. While the company has not explained what it does, speculation points towards AI integration, possibly even ChatGPT support, which would mean combining smart software with everyday audio gear. This is where Nothing OS 4 comes into the picture. The company has already teased its redesigned interface, and reports say the new OS is heavily AI focused, making it smarter, faster, and more personal for users. If this connects directly with Air 3, we could be looking at a unique ecosystem where earbuds and operating system work hand in hand. With all these updates, the full list of specs like drivers, battery life, and ANC performance will only be revealed at the official event, but excitement is already high. The big launch is scheduled for September 18 at 1 p.m. BST or 8 p.m. IST, and the Air 3 is expected to come in at a price of around $149.